Welcome to the American Postal Workers Union Electronic Grievance System Steward User Video 1. Today what we're going to look at is a general overview of your left-hand navigation menu. Today what we really want to show you is an overview so that you get an idea of how everything works in this system. It's a very simple system, but like with anything else, it needs to be properly trained and used. So what we want to do first is let's explore this left navigation menu. Essentially, when you first log into the system, you've been given a user ID and password, or perhaps you set up your own password and the administrator of your system gave you a user ID. So you're in the system now and you need to know how to navigate. Well, let's go ahead and start from the top and work our way down on the left navigation menu. Really, the only things that you will want to concern yourself with are these top buttons right here, the grievance add and search menus. When you add a new grievance, you will be adding your own cases, okay? So you can go back and search your own cases. You can also do an entire database search for every grievance in your database, but you won't be able to edit anybody else's cases but your own as a steward user. Okay, administrators and other users on the system can certainly view and edit everything, but as a steward user, you really just need to concern yourself with your own grievances. So adding a new grievance is very simple. You would just go to add and go through the series of steps to add a new case. Searching a case will be your reporting mechanism. Okay, this is where you'll go in and search your entire database of grievances and find out what type of report you need to run and things like that. So these two features right here are really where you want to do everything. Now down at the bottom we do have some other features available where you can go in and do your APW search, and this will link, if I click on that, it will link to your current system that you're used to having your Lexus ID and password, where you can log in and do searches through the Search 4.0 LexisNexis system. And also over here on the main system we have an APWEGS support site where you can go directly to a support screen and fill out any support requests that you're having. So if you're having any problems with the system or if you have any questions, certainly fill out the support request, give us your details, and hit submit for a support request demonstration or support request help. You can also call the dedicated support request line and leave a message via voicemail on that support request line. And do allow up to 48 hours for all supports to be answered to within the working week. That will give us plenty of time to handle all calls appropriately and give us as much detail as you can in the support request. This will certainly help more quickly answer your question if you can give us as much detail as what you're having problems with. And then back over on the system, we also have something called the video tutorials, which is what you're watching right now. The video tutorials link will send you directly over to the centralized page, which will house all of the video tutorials. As we add more videos, this page will become more and more automated, and you'll be able to search through the video that you want to view. But each video will give you a highlight of what's covered in that video, and you can go through here, and this will be your virtual how-to guide on using the system. So everything is done right here, centrally located within your EGS portal, your home page of your EGS. So once you log into your EGS, you'll have access to all of these features from adding, searching grievances, all the way down through video tutorials, and of course exiting out of the system. So as a new steward user, you will definitely want to use these features and go through and play with them a little bit and explore them a little bit. And right here in the middle we have some maintenance features, and most of these things have been done for you, so you really won't have to concern yourself much with the maintenance features whatsoever. However, if you do want to see, for instance, a copy of your contract, you can go into the contract section and you can go ahead and click on USPS as the employer, and hit find, and what it will do, it will bring up a list of contracts that the administrators have entered into the system for you. Most commonly is obviously your CBA, so if you wanted to click on that CBA, you could select the CBA and you can view the entire list of articles for the contract. So this is a table of contents of the articles. If you wanted to view the entire contract, you would click on article number 1 and then go down to the attachments menu. Right here there's something called attachments. Select attachments and you can click on the contract PDF itself, which will actually allow you to open up the entire PDF of your American Postal Workers Union tentative collective bargaining agreement as ratified at that time. So this is a direct link to everything you need regarding grievances and contracts and things of that nature. But again, the main thing you want to concern yourself with is adding and searching cases and any of these support requests or search features for the APW system outside of this one. So again, we will cover the add and search features in detail in the coming videos, so please stay tuned and visit the next video series for the adding and searching functions within your EGS. Thank you and have a wonderful day.